I could see better.
Okay.
And once again, later on that day, I was exhausted because I had my sunglasses off for way too long.
Right.
Come to Tuesday, what did I do Tuesday? Went for I can't remember what I did Tuesday.
That's okay.
But anyway, so
Yeah.
so I think, like I said, things are brighter. In my house. If I have the lights on in my kitchen and living space, things that are white, like plates and my door frames and stuff, it really it looks like uncooked meringue.
Okay.
That white, it's like really brilliant white. So
Yes.
the things that are white are really white.
Yes.
My dog, like I say, I can see my dog,
Right.
and I'm going, goodness me, you know, I could actually see more detail.
Yes.
So it's more about seeing objects. As far as looking at, so my television, I've got a recorder, so I have to read the shows and what time I want to tape, and my telephone and my treadmill. I don't think I've really noticed any dramatic change, except when I'm on my treadmill, I'm going, oh, can I read that a tiny better?
Yes.
Maybe.
Right.
And it's just too hard. It's just such a fine line,
Yes.
because sometimes it depends on the day, the weather, etc.
Right.
So I don't think there's been any great visual improvement in that regard.
Yes.
But last night when I got home, because I was in the city at Kiora yesterday doing some tests, and I've got this device on my bedside, and it's got these two little lights, and I can never see them.
Yes.
And I saw them last night,
Okay.
and I went, wow.
Okay.
Because when I'm staring at something, I can't, if I look at the stars in the sky and I can't see them straight on, I'll have to look at something there to see something there.
Yes.
So in a different, and I was looking straight at them, and one was, one was more illuminated than the other, because I know one's red and one's blue, so I guess that was a blue one and that was a red. But I was very impressed, so I went, oh wow, that for me was like, I'm going, that's bizarre, because for me to stare at something directly like at that it's like a little pinpoint light. It's quite small.
Yes.
I was kind of impressed with that, and so yeah, I think that and just everything. I think something is definitely going on, and it's all positive.
Okay.
Today, when I woke up this morning, I went, oh, my eyes were a bit cloudy.
Yes.
Even inside the house, and I went, oh, okay. And outside, and I went, okay, it's very cloudy outside today. And when I got here, I was sort of looking outside the car on the way here, and I thought, it's a little bit hazier than what it was, but it is a cloudy day. My eyes hurting in the moment outside. No, they weren't, but it is that I don't have that definition because everything's grey and disgusting. So I don't know if it's glary out there today, because if it is, it's not affecting me in a nasty way as far as eye strain and pain and having to wear my hat and 2 pair of sunglasses and still deal with the glare. So I could wear my sunglasses. When I got dropped off, I was just waiting outside for a few minutes looking, going, okay, my vision's not fantastic, or as it's probably the worst day so far since I've had my injection, but I'm going, my eyes aren't in pain, because if it is glary, I'm not feeling it, but I'm guessing it might be glary because of the output I'm getting visually. It's distorted, it's just not clear, it's all grey and merging together. So that's where we're at. But if I would say, I think something is going on, and it's positive, and our minds are very powerful. You want something to really happen, but I think your mind gets to that point where that kind of fades, that idea of, can I see better, and I'm going, I think I can, and something is definitely going on, in my opinion. Whether the tests, the clinical tests and stuff. One test I did yesterday that I've done, which I hate, I think I did a little bit better for the most part. And then my field test, which I loathe, I think the ball coming up from the bottom, I could see it a bit better, but it was still not yeah, so I thought, like, when you're doing the field test coming from the top, I think I've always been able to see that quite well. But coming down from the bottom, I thought, you know, I've obviously got some big blind spot there somewhere, but and I thought, oh, I can see this a bit better. Coming from the side, it's a bit hit and miss, and after a while, it became a bit hit and miss anyway, because your eyes get tired out really quickly doing that test. So yeah, today's the worst day, but I'll rest my eyes today when I get home, and tomorrow's another day, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'm so glad I've done it.
Well, thanks so much, Lauren, and thanks so much for being part of the study. It's a wonderful report and description of your experience and impressions. Thanks very much.
Yeah, good. Thank you for